Hi guys, today we have to tackle something here. It's a delta VFD. As you can see, it has got run, stop for increasing the arrows for increasing and reducing the speed or navigating through the parameters, and it has got the mode for accessing different parameters. It's a very simple VFD. It's not complicated. And actually it has got 11 groups, as I have written here. There's group 0 user parameters, group 1 basic parameters, group 2 operation method parameters, group 3 output function parameters, group 4 input function parameters, group 5 multi-step speed parameters, group 8 protection parameters, group 7 motor parameters, group 8 special parameters, group 9 communication parameters, and group 10 control parameters, PID control parameters. Well, now we are going to tackle not all of them, but just a few. Now, if you meet this VFD for the first time, actually the H is the actual speed or the actual frequency when the VFD is running. If you navigate using the mode, A is the amps or the current when the motor is running. That one is the content of the user. Okay, you can enter like that and you can access the content of the user. That one is showing forward. It can be FRD or REV, which would show, in this case we have selected forward to be to run on forward. And actually you can access the parameters from wherever. If it is showing FRV, you just enter and you can go through the parameter. At the moment it's set group 7. If it is there, you can also access from anywhere. You can access from wherever it is. Even if it is in the speed, you can access the parameters. Now we shall go through the different parameters, but we shall not tackle everything, only a few things here and there. So we shall start with group 1. Group 1 we have, let me show you how you can access. Now you can go down to group 1. Actually group 0 is there. We shall start with group 0. Group 0, or rather let us start with group 1. Group 0 is the most important thing, is what I have indicated there. The parameter is set. At 0 you can just read, or you can write. At 8 you can lock the keypad. That is 0.02. 0.03, it is a display selection. At 0 you can select frequency to be changed frequency. At 1 is the display of output frequency when it is running. 0.08 as the password. Input and the password reset, and we have got the basic voltage now. That one, which is 400. That one we shall not go through that group, but we shall go through group 1. The most important thing in group 1 is 01.00, which is the maximum frequency, and we have set at 50. 01.01 maximum voltage frequency, which is 50. 01.02 the output voltage we have selected at 400. And the most important groups, the other groups are 01.13 is the jog acceleration time, 01.14 is the jog deceleration time, and 01.15 is the jog frequency. That's where we can change our speed. Yeah, that's where at 0.1.15 jog frequency, that's where we change the speed. Yeah, we can just access a little and see how we go about it. Yeah. Now, suppose we want to go to group 01 point, enter 0.15, scroll up 0.15, enter. Actually, we have set our speed at 47 hertz. That way we can change the speed. What about our acceleration time and our deceleration time? Okay, you exit. Our acceleration time is 1.13. Okay, you go down. I've set at 10. Let me increase to about 15 seconds. Enter. And we go to 14. Yeah, that one was set at 1 second. I want to set at 15 seconds. Deceleration. Enter. And actually it is showing end when it is 7, yeah? Okay, then we can go out, yeah? Now the next thing is to go to group 2. You see group 2, as I've written there, 2.00 source of master frequency. Either you can run through the keypad or you can run through the terminals. My terminals here, you can see DCM, and between M1 and M14. Actually, I'll tell you why I've selected there. Yeah. Now, the source of operation command, yeah, 02.0, and source of operation command is the keypad or the terminals. Yeah. And motor direction, 02.04 motor direction. Yeah, you can disable reverse at 1, and you can disable forward at 2. If it is 0, both of them they can work. Yeah, and 02.02 is the stop method. In this case, I have selected number 2, which is the stop ramp. It will ramp while stopping. Yeah. So let me show you how you can go about changing, or rather running from keypad or from the terminals. At the moment, I have selected 02.01 source of operation command. I've selected number 1, which will run from here, as I will demonstrate here in a minute. Yeah, so you can see it will ramp up until it reaches what I have set there inside, which is 47. Yeah, and when I raise the cable, it will ramp down. Now, how do I go about changing to run to the keypad? It is that program indicated there, 02.01. Yeah. So 02.01, I go there, I enter, I go up, enter, 0.01. I enter selected 1. If I select 0, I have to run, I can run from the keypad. Yeah. Enter, and it is saved here. So I can comfortably run, and I go to HFH. Can comfortably run from here and stop from here. Now it is indicating, but I have to ramp up from here. You see, the F is the one which is indicating the keypad speed. Actually, if I release, if I stop, yeah, you see, if I run, I have set 22, It will go up to, okay. Now I go back and what? I go back and set it to run through the terminal here. DCM, M14, M1, and MI4, and MI1. Actually, what is MI1? MI1 is the forward, MI2 is the reverse, and M4 I've selected at group 4, which is 04.06 M14, which is jog operation, which is number 8. Yeah. So I go to yeah, I can go very fast like that. 4.06, enter. I've selected 8, and 8 is the jog. Yeah, so my jog I have selected for M14 at 04.06. And where do I change my speed? Like I have said, you go 01.15. You can change the speed. And now my speed here is, my speed is 47. It's ramping up until 47. Up to 47. But now I want to change the speed. Where do I go? I go 01.15, which is the jog frequency. Let it ramp down because I've set at 15 seconds to ramp down. Yeah. Okay, so I go. Like I said, you can access from anywhere. Enter. So I want to go to which group? And very fast. I go to group 01. Then enter, because I want to go 01.15. Okay. My speed is 47. Yeah. Then I can comfortably reduce. Let's say I reduce up to 38. Now, if I run again, I expect it to run until 38. So I go back to H. Yeah. Here, there we are. Oh, I didn't save it. Did I? I didn't save. What I did not do, I did not save. I changed the speed, but I did not save. So I have to go back and save it. Access. Enter again. Access. Okay, there. Then I save it. Enter. End. Then I have saved it. Then I go back. And I try to run. Okay. You see, I've saved it at 46.5. Actually, that is enough for today. We won't go much into the other groups. There's no use for going to the other groups. I don't know group 4. Okay, group 3 is important. That's why you set 0, you set the relay at 300. You set the relay what you want it to do. This relay RA, RB, RC is the common. So you set the relay at 3.08. That's the fan control. If you receive this VFD, the fan control is set at 0, which is fan always will run. The internal fan, you can hear it running. But if you set 1, the fan is supposed to run 1 minute after the driver has stopped. Now if you wait here for 1 minute, internal fan will stop running. Yeah. Do we have to do all that? I don't think so. And the group 7, the most important thing there is 7.00, which is the motor full load amp. The motor full load amp, you can hear that our internal fan has stopped after 1 minute. So we can access group 7. We go up, enter. See, they have set at 13.2 amps. Actually, I hope that is enough for today. Yeah. So it is between DC external terminals, DCM, forward for MI1, and MI4 for the preset speed or the jog speed. Yeah. And that is enough for today. Okay, thank you guys. Yeah. Okay, bye. See you another time.